Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a talking head avatar in Ekly. From a single photo to a fully lip-synced clip. Let's dive in. So the first step is we go to Claude or GPT and ask it to generate us a prompt that would give us the avatar face. So I have already got a prompt. I'm going to copy it and paste it in the image prompt placeholder. And I'm currently using the GPT Image 2 model and I'll hit generate. You can see I've already experimented with a few prompts. So let's look at the best one and we'll use that. So we have the result. I'll take this image and save it in my assets. I've saved this image in the asset folder. Now I'll head over to the video generation section. I'll use the mod called VEED Fabric to make the talking avatar. And I'll use the image we already generated. I already have the audio file I'm going to use, so I'll add that. We can even change the resolution. 480p works fine. So let's hit generate and wait for the result.
Hi there. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're just curious or ready to dive in, you're in exactly the right place. So, let's get started.
Visit now.